All right, let's bring in today's market panel. Financial analyst Heather Zumarraga and Paul Aversano, managing director at Alvarez and Marsal. Paul, there's a lot of risk out there right now. How do you assess it?
There is a lot of risk, and if there was ever any question, we are certainly in what I call the vortex of volatility. As I was preparing to come on the show today, I started thinking about a lot of the things causing the market volatility, and there were actually so many items that I had to take some notes. From Russia today to trade, there's any number of items that are really driving the market, both good and bad.
Yeah. Heather, I mean, how do you sort through all of that and decide what to do? I mean, it almost sounds like a case for just staying on the sidelines and sticking with the position you have and kind of, watching what's going on, unless you think that the risk to the downside is so significant that you have to stabilize yourself for it.
It could be. As the markets grind higher, I think specifically you stick with what's working in terms of technology. The NASDAQ seems to be doing better than the other indices in general, as well as the Russell 2000. Small caps may be shielded from these global tariff trade talks. So I would stick with what's working, and all eyes are on the Federal Reserve's meeting March 21st next week, as well as political sensitivity towards any news coming out of White House right now.
Yeah, but I mean, Paul, do you feel like the basic fundamentals have changed? I mean, we still have an expanding economy. You talk about somebody like Larry Kudlow getting in there and getting the ear of the president. He's all about lower taxes. He's all about growth. He understands strong dollar. He's against all these other things that would slow down the economy. It seems like underneath it all, even though there's a lot of risk out there, the fundamentals of the economy are very positive.
I fully agree with that, and that would be my advice to the viewers today. I think you need to stomach the short-term volatility and look and take a long-term perspective. I mean, the first round of tax cuts are just starting to kick in now.
First round, right, implying that there's going to be a second.
There's a second round on the way. So I do think when you look at the businesses today and you look at corporate America, the underlying fundamentals are strong, but you have to stomach the variables causing short-term volatility in the market.